Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be telling you how to add a custom domain in Teachable step by step. So the link will be in the description for the Teachable. Make sure you check that out. So go to your Teachable domain. First log into your Teachable dashboard like I have done so, and you'll be redirected to the admin page. Head over to the left hand, navigate to the menu and click on the site. Just like this, navigate to the left side, click on the site, and you will be redirected to this page. And then select domains. Over here there is a domain option, just click on that. Here you will have a primary domain, but you can add a custom domain by clicking on add domain option. Just add the domain address that you have. For example, that could be any custom domain that you own. Then log into your domain register. For example, it could be GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or any other registrar. So just copy the DNS settings and then you have to paste it. Create a CNAME record and then verify it as a primary. That's that pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.